So for a question number 8, A and D, and 11, A and E. So in question 8, we're asked to decide whether it's true or false. Now it's going to be true or false if the equations on the left is identically the same as the equation on the right. So since I've got a fraction on the left, I'd like to rewrite this as being 2x on 2 plus 4 on 2 equals the right-hand side. 2x on 2 is the same as x, plus 4 on 2 is the same as 2, and that does not equal the right-hand side because the right-hand side is x plus 4. Therefore, it is false. I'm looking at what I have in D. Since I have a bracket on the left-hand side but I don't have the right, I'd like to multiply the bracket out. 2/3 times x is 2/3 x. 2/3 times 6, well, the 3 will cancel into the 6 twice to leave me with minus 4. And that does not equal the right-hand side because that's 2/3 x minus 12. Therefore, false. Those two examples were false. And in question 11, we're asking for the rule. I can see that my top goes up by 1. So whatever my bottom goes up by will be my multiplier or my gradient. 5 to 7 is 2, 7 to 9 is 2, 9 to 11 is 2, and 11 to 13 is 2. Therefore, y is going to equal 2x plus something, and I can check that with this point here. 2 times nothing plus 7, so it's going to be 2x plus 7. Let's double check that for this point. 13 should equal 2 times 3 plus 7, 6 plus 7, beautiful, equals 13. So 2x plus 7. In this one here, my increase on the top is 2. And my increase on the bottom is 1. So this isn't going to be my multiplier because my top isn't increasing by 1. But if my top did increase by 1, all of these would increase by a half. So I'm going to have y equals a half x plus some number. And I can double check that number in the first spot, for instance. When x equals 1, y has to equal 1. Therefore, the number that I have to add is a half. So y equals a half x plus a half. And to double check that with the last number, y should equal a half 9 plus a half. 9 on 2 is 4.5 plus 0.5 equals 5, and that's correct. So y equals a half x plus a half.